I originally came to Optimize Wellness for Prolozone shots. I just moved to Colorado in April, and I had been familiar with Prolozone and getting the shots for pain, for chronic pain, in Tucson, Arizona, where I moved from. So I moved to Colorado Springs, and there's nobody in the area that does ozone or Prolozone. So I found this clinic by looking on the internet, and I wanted to get my Prolozone shots, so that's how I originally got hooked up with Optimize Wellness. So, I mean, I was expecting my same pain reduction, and I had a surprise episode of extreme inflammation going throughout my body. And so, since I was already at Optimize Wellness, the IV ozone was suggested to me, and I was all for it, knowing how great the Prolozone shots are. So I had the IV ozone, and the inflammation went away immediately. And I've been getting it every 2 weeks, and I used to have some arthritis in my hands, and that pain is completely gone now. So if I wasn't already a firm believer in ozone, I am even more of a believer now, and I've been telling everybody about this treatment. I think the fact that here at Optimize Wellness, there is an approach of the whole patient. So it's not just writing a prescription and seeing you for a few minutes and sending you away. There's really a holistic care that the practitioners give here. So they're looking at the whole body, and they're taking into consideration the root causes of the symptoms. And one of the other things I got introduced to here was the elimination diet, which no other provider had ever mentioned to me, that if you're having some problems with inflammation or migraine headaches, some of the symptoms I was suffering with, it might be a good idea to go gluten-free and to do an elimination diet. And so I really appreciate the natural approach to medicine, so that it's not just a bunch of pills that cause other problems. So that's what I think is probably one of the greatest things about this place.